I am Dr. Pawan, the National President of the Indian Cancer Winners Association, what we call the I Can Win Association. And today we are going to launch the Gujarat chapter. We have been established at various 3 other states already. And today we are going to establish or start the Gujarat chapter at this AMA convention. And this is being supported by the Sainik Hospital, the Calorics and the CBCC. So the main purpose I am basically an onco-surgeon, but basically this Indian Cancer Winners Association, the very purpose of Indian Cancer Winners Association was to bridge the gap between between the patients and the doctors. And basically if we look at the cancer scenario in India, that is the cancer cycle, and we find that almost like 80% of the cancers are detected at a very late stage. Only 20% of the cancers are detected at an early stage. So through this program, through this Indian Cancer Winners Association, we have got various like creating a cancer awareness among the society, screening for the early disease, and so that we can treat the patient at the early stages and cure them. We are doing a lifestyle diseases. We are creating make people aware about the lifestyle, so that the chronic diseases, chronic cancers can also be taken control of. Then we are also doing patient rehabilitation. So with various methods, we are trying to push. And in this association, we have got a lot of cancer winners. And who are these winners? These winners are not just cancer patients who have just cured of cancer, but those who have been going through this cancer disease with a positive spirit. The caretakers of the patient. Caretakers are the very important factor for this disease, because they ultimately also give the positivity to these cancer patients. Then social people who are around, and they give this positivity to this patient. And very importantly, the doctors, the treating physicians, the treating doctors of this cancer patient, they themselves have to be positive, so that they give that positive spirit to this patient and give them that feeling, yes, they can be cured. This is our main association, and here we have got a lot of cancer winners who themselves are promoting and who themselves are going ahead and taking these cancer patients and the cancer winners together and giving them the whole social support, as well as giving them other supports as well. So this is our in gist, and we are very happy to launch this Gujarat chapter today. And this Gujarat chapter will be chaired by Dr. Shobhesh Chandra, with Dr. Devendra D. Patel being the president of this Gujarat chapter. And we are sure we will be able to help the Gujarat with the cancer winners of Gujarat in establishing, making this as a bigger movement and taking it forward, and seeing that we can win over cancer. Thank you.